AI engineering, data scientist, you want to be a DevOps guy, you want to be a machine learning engineer, you like automation. In fact, basically everything you're seeing here, except maybe UX design, technical writer, or maybe an Android guy. You really don't need to know Python to be an Android dev. iOS to Swift. But apart from that, every other thing else, cybersecurity, you need to know Python. Python is everywhere. And if you really want to understand Python, you can't just let AI be writing Python for you without you understanding. You need to understand Python well. Like, because it's Python you might probably use to develop your models and, build automation. So you need to understand it very well. And if you really want to understand Python, in fact, there are a lot of sources that you can read and you can watch. There's this Harvard CS50 playlist. There's one that Free Code Camp released. They released a full video. I think that's 15 hours, but you can watch this. But if you want to go to the original where it originated from, it has this playlist. So this is everything in the playlist: introduction, blah 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 blah. So if you don't want to watch that, you can come here to watch this, but they are basically the same thing. The other one is by this guy, Programming with Mosh. He has this Python focus for beginners. I think he releases it maybe every 2 years. The first one was almost 48 million views. If I can go to his channel to check it. This one was released 1 year ago. The first Python video released. Let me see if I can find it. Yeah, so this is it. Python full course for beginners. 48 million views 7 years ago. That's crazy. So you can watch this Python full course for beginners, program with Mosh. You can just go through it if you like videos. There's something you can read by Google. This one is Google for Education. They have this Python class you can just read up. It's not much to read. You can just read it in a day or just like in a couple of hours. But if you love interactive courses, then you can go to either this Coditech. Coditech, it's really, really interactive. There are quizzes that you'll be asked to answer, challenges and lessons a lot. I think the lessons 219, quiz questions 1000, and challenges 172. So this one on Cody, it's really interactive. And the other one, I think Scream Battle has one. Yeah, Scream Battle has a Learn Python course. Yeah, this one too is awesome. It's interactive like that Cody. So you can just go through this. I think the last one I would like to show you guys will be Free Code Camp again. Free Code Camp is like, they're like OGs in programming courses. So you can go on to Free Code Camp. They have this Python certification. And I think at the end, you can get a certification. Yes, Python certification exam. But I think you must have completed all your projects before you can get the certificates. Yeah, you must have done those, unless you won't be able to get your certificate. That's pretty much it. Just go through these guys and you'll become proficient. You might not get proficient at first, but as you practice with it and use it often, you adjust. You basically not be using your hand to write it like that. It will be AI writing for you, but at least you understand what AI is giving you. If you have any other Python resources that you learned with, please drop it in the comments. Let others get to know about them so that they can, check them out too.